What's up, guys? We're filming this Haro Sport from 1986 today. I applied the stickers. They're made by Rebel Art Design. It's been powder coated blue, and then we left the back end chrome, which is cool. We're going to put a new sealed bottom bracket. These are Haro bars. We have a 1-inch headset, Diacomp clamps, some seat guts, AMC chain, a freewheel, some Haro Fusion pedals. These are the original fork standers, which is pretty cool. We got a layback seat post. This is a Dominator seat, some clear brake pads, Haro sprockets. This is cool. If you're looking for these, we have them on our website, Haro Group 1 stem. We got some Haro team grips. These are rare too. Haro Group 1 cranks, and we have some Haro HPF tires. We also got some Skyway mag wheels. Those are going to look sweet. So make sure to check out some more of our Haro Sport and Master builds above. Let's get to the build. What's up, everybody? We finished up this 1986 Haro Sport. Came out looking super nice with a powder coated front end and the chrome on the back end. The stickers were done by Rebel Art Design. Check him out if you're looking for some old school stickers. He always does a good job. Let's move to the top. First, we have the Haro team grips. We have some Diacomp brake levers. These are original Haro bars and green gyro cables. We have a Haro Group 1 stem, 1-inch headset, Diacomp Nippon brakes. These are Haro forks with a flip down. Check that out. Haro tires with Skyway mag wheels. And then moving to the middle, Haro Fusion pedals, Haro cranks, Haro sprocket, a KMC chain, a Diacomp seat post clamp, Black Ops post, Dominator seat, and then another Diacomp Nippon brake in the back with some clear pads, Haro tires, and a Skyway mag wheel with an ACS freewheel. So this build came out looking super nice. Make sure to check out some more of our Haro builds above. We'll post some sports, and let us know your thoughts, your comments, and let us know what you think of the build. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys soon.